Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable Qualcomm Aptx HD audio codec. Okay, so to do this with our Jabra Elite 4 active, we have to be connected with our device, our Android device, and then click on the settings icon when we are connected, and then scroll down a little bit, find HD audio Qualcomm Aptx codec, then tap on the switcher to turn it on. And of course you have to remember that not every phone got this codec, so you have to just take a look for the specs of your devices. And if your phone have this codec, it means that you will be able to unlock it by using the standard boot settings, and thanks to this codec you will get a little bit better audio quality. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.